Welcome back to the 5th tutorial in our Introduction to Decorators in Python series. So in today's tutorial, we are going to go over how we can pass arguments into our decorators. So we might have a function that takes some certain arguments, so you want to be able to pass in those arguments to the decorator as well. So let's go ahead and actually see how we can do that today in today's tutorial. So I'll just have a function here. I'll just call it my underscore decorator, and in here I'm simply going to just going to give it it's going to take in a function because the decorator is taking a function, and then you're going to return a wrapper class. So since we're going to use the wrapper class to modify the function that you're going to be passing in, so just give it a def and you define a wrapper class here, and a wrapper class is just going to return certain things. So let's just write pass for now. Let's actually go ahead and actually define the input function that you're going to pass in. So just say greet, and greet will take in the name of the person who is greeting and the greetings. Okay, greetings. So let's actually go ahead and actually return those. So it's going to return the name, the name and the greetings. Okay, so we're going to return just the name and the greetings. So we're going to pass that into our decorator function. So let's actually go ahead and decorate that. So we just say my decorator. So we have decorated this. So let's actually go ahead and actually accept our arguments in here. So to accept our argument, you simply just we can use the variable the args and the quarks. Okay, args stands for variable length argument. This is just a tuple containing all the arguments that have non keyword arguments that have been passed. So you also have the quarks, which will store all the keyword arguments. Okay, this will be a dictionary while this is a tuple. So let's actually go ahead and actually just print those things out. So we'll just go ahead and print is 1p 1i, and then we print args. Let's just put in here an f string so that we can do that on one line. So let me just remove that pipe symbol. So in here, just going to print args. Sorry, this is going to be it's going to be in curly braces args, and then you can give it some space, and then curly braces you can print quarks. So you can see right now in quarks we are actually going to get no value back since we didn't pass in any keyword arguments. Okay, so let's actually run that and see what we get. I actually didn't call the function, my bad. So let's just go here and call greet, and then we'll pass in here prints, and then we'll say print to just say hello. Okay, so this is capital. So now let's run this, and then we can see we have this tuple back, which will be the our variable length argument, which is a tuple of two strings, prints and hello. And now you can see our args is just an empty dictionary. Okay, so even if you pass in here a keyword argument to be accepted there, so you can just go ahead and pass in maybe date. Okay, date, and then you can pass in maybe you can just say date equals to, and then in here you can just specify the date. So you can just say this 003 and 2020. Okay, just any random date. So let's run this. So we can see now we get that dictionary containing that specific data. So guys, that's how you can be able to pass in the keyword arguments or whatever arguments into your data. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks. In the next tutorial we'll be going over how to write a debuggable decorators in Python. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this channel.